Hello guys, Ed Shed. It's a Sunday. It's 11 o'clock on a Sunday and I wish I was drinking gin. Now, I've been rubbing down and rust proofing, killing and grinding and welding, and the bumper was bent slightly, as you well know, so I pushed the bumper out. The lump's gone down. Hopefully that's its second attempt. Hopefully that'll stay down. I'm doing rust killed in lots of places where I needed to do it, and I bought something and it arrived ready to do. But I'm doing the bit I hate worse, which is cleaning off Ziebart. Now I hate Ziebart because it doesn't seem to work very well, but I hate scraping cars, and as you can see, there's an awful lot needs scraping off, and I'm not really enjoying doing it. I wish I had some help, but anyway I haven't. So I cleaned up the front suspension and I found some bushes. Can't find any shock absorbers, unfortunately. I click over here to the house. There's one pointed wishbone, ready for a new top board joint. There's all the steering arms and everything ready. I've just used some of that de-rust crap on the suspension bushes and covered them in oil. So we'll see how that works on all the bolts. I think we all know what that is, don't we? Sun visor. Departed from my T5. So I painted those. That wasn't a success because they were very rusted. So the new look T5 without its sun visor and its brackets up there by the fire exit sign to be painted back on. Now, obviously, shock absorbers are a total failure. They're actually a failure. This one's not only is he rusted up solid on the shaft, but he's also blown out of the bush. The other one is the same, so we are going to be needing shock absorbers. Didn't want them, but we are going to need them. We've got all the doors and everything finished, but I think what we need to do really is get this thing back down its wheels. So, from that point of view, my mission is to finish scraping as much of this off as I can tomorrow, or tonight, tomorrow. Would be nice, wouldn't it? Yeah, I think I'm getting there. I'm getting there. I'll fire a new wire burner up in the thing. I was going to spray it with stone chip, which is my plan. So it's a very good likelihood I'm going to get the bonnet off, and also give this some of this a grind up under here, get this looking a little bit better. But I mean, the basis is pretty good, and providing it does what it says on the tin, which is hold the front subframe in, I really don't care. Now I'm going to red oxide it first, and then I'm going to seam seal all the joints. Then I'm going to paint it with a black hammerite undersill. So that's the plan for that. But obviously the plan at the moment is try just gently assemble the front suspension, get it put together, which I'm not enjoying. I'm not enjoying it. As you can see, roof leaks still going well. Hence all the stuff still here, even less space than I had when I started, but from that point of view, I think I'm getting there. It's stiflingly hot actually, remarkably enough. It's not cold, and my sore throat has sort of gone off, so I don't know, feel a bit better. I don't feel great, but I feel a bit better, so I thought I'd better come and try and do something. I haven't done anything for about 5 days again. So from that point of view, and I'm also going over the dilemma of this car, which I'm thinking about. You know, it's originally grey, and it was grey, and it is grey, but it was painted green, and I quite like the green. So I'm seriously tempted to save myself an awful lot of work. I'll go and paint it green. How does that grab you? Green with painted green wire wheels. I'm going to take some of the chrome off as well. I have all this bloody chrome on it. And I'm going to put proper door overs on it. And that's about as far as we're going to go, I think. But we've still got sort of an engine, and at the moment, this is just becoming a bit of a... I'm getting bogged down because it's too much again. I said I wasn't going to do it again. I want to do something I want to do. What I want to do is next door. What I'm stuck in the shed with is this. Even if that was next door was in here, there's no room in here to do what I want to do on that. So I've got to finish this car, haven't I? So... let's get the welding finished. Let's get the back broke on the welding, get it all rust killed, get the front beam and the suspension back in it, and then I can seriously sort about what I'm going to be doing in relation to getting the doors. Plus I can get the other car out and get the other car back in and get the back brake side. So, anyway, that was just a quick showing you that, yeah, we're still doing things. We're still working. We found a load of poly bushes, upper and lowers, but we've only got enough uppers to do one side. We've got enough lowers to do both sides. But I've got new rubbers in that, so I'm going to put the standard ones in the bottom of this and polys in the top. I'm putting Silverfly ball joints in because I've got them, and I'm putting brand new top ball joints in because I've got them. So it's going to have quite something, you know, should be good. And I will say it's not non-power steering, so non-power steering, quite heavy on the steering, but I think I can live with it. Anyway, talk to you soon, guys. Like and subscribe. Follow us about. If you enjoyed it, I'm glad. If you didn't, well, I mean, all I can say, guys, is I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best here, you know what I mean? And it's hard work on your own. See you soon, guys. Bye for now.